The biggest mistake people make when buying a portable power station isn't choosing one that's too small. It's buying one that's too complicated, too heavy, or loaded with features they'll never use. And that's where the DJI Power 1000 Mini changes the conversation. Instead of trying to be the biggest battery on the market, the DJI focused on making a compact power station that still delivers enough power for camping, road trips, creators, emergency backup, drones, laptops, cameras, and everyday electronics without turning into a workout every time you carry it. And if you've been waiting for something that actually balances the portability, the charging speed, and reliability, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. And today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the DJI Power 1000 Mini and what it can do and who it's for and where it shines and whether it deserves a place in your gear collection. Because not every power station has to be enormous to be useful, and sometimes smaller ends up being smarter, and DJI has built a reputation around innovation, especially in drones, cameras, and portable creative equipment, so expectations are highly high whenever they release something new. And fortunately, this isn't just another battery box with a fancy logo slapped on it. The engineering behind it shows that DJI understands the need of creators and outdoor enthusiasts alike. And one of the first things you'll notice is its compact design. Space matters, whether you're loading on an SUV for a camping trip, packing an RV, organizing a van build, or simply storing emergency equipment at home. A smaller footprint means it fits where larger stations simply can't. And that also makes it easier to grab quickly during a power outage or toss it into the trunk before, heading out for a weekend adventure. Portability doesn't just mean weight, it means convenience, and convenience often determines whether you'll actually use something regularly. So, the Power 1000 Mini is designed to be an everyday companion instead of something that sits forgotten in the garage. It delivers clean, stable power that's safe for sensitive electronics, including laptops, tablets, smartphones, cameras, drones, portable monitors, routers, gaming handhelds, and countless USB devices as well. And if you're a content creator, this is a huge advantage because reliable power means more filming, more editing, and less worrying about battery percentages. Imagine spending an entire day capturing footage in the mountains, on the beach, or at the racetrack without hunting for an outlet. Excuse me, I have a cold today. And that's the freedom portable power provides. If you'd like to check out the latest specifications, the features, or pick one up for yourself, be sure to use the link in the description below. It's the easiest way to see the current pricing and everything included in the DJI Power 1000 Mini. Another standout feature is charging speed. Nobody enjoys waiting all day for a power station to recharge before the next trip. Fast charging means less downtime and more time actually using your equipment. And whether you're preparing for another shoot, getting ready for a weekend getaway, or recovering after a storm, being able to recharge quickly becomes incredibly valuable. And DJI has also put significant effort into battery management, intelligent monitoring, helping optimize charging performance while protecting battery health over the long term. And that's important because portable power stations are an investment, and you want something that continues performing well after hundreds of charging cycles instead of, noticeably degrading after lifetime or limited use. And safety is another area where quality manufacturers separate themselves from cheaper competitors. Modern battery systems include protections against overheating, overcharging, short circuits, overloads, and voltage irregularities, and these protections work quietly in the background, giving users confidence when powering expensive electronics. And speaking of electronics, versatility is one of the product's strongest selling points. You're not limited to, charging phones. You can run laptops while editing videos and recharge camera batteries between shoots, power LED lighting for photography, operate portable fans during hot weather, keep communication devices running during emergencies, or even maintain internet connectivity by powering a modem and router when the electricity goes out. For drone pilots, this becomes especially useful. DJI already dominates the drone market, so having a portable power solution that integrates naturally into your workflow makes perfect sense. Instead of ending a flying session because every battery is empty, you can recharge while you're still on location and continue creating content. Outdoor enthusiasts benefit just as much. Campers appreciate reliable lighting after sunset. Anglers can keep fish finders and electronics operating. Travelers can charge multiple devices overnight without relying on campground outlets. Tailgaters can keep speakers, projectors, and cooking accessories powered throughout the event, and families can entertain kids with tablets during long road trips while still keeping everyone's phones fully charged. Even homeowners who never camp should consider portable backup power. Stars don't schedule appointments, and having a dependable battery ready means keeping essential electronics running, charging flashlights, maintaining communication, and reducing the stress when the grid goes down. Another impressive aspect is the variety of available output ports. Different devices require different connections, and having multiple options eliminates the need for carrying several adapters. And USB-C continues becoming more common for laptops and modern electronics, while traditional USB ports still support older accessories. AC outlets expand the possibilities even further, allowing everyday household devices to run whenever you are. And building quality also deserves attention. Portable gear inevitably gets moved around, loaded into vehicles, carried around campsites, and occasionally bumped against hard surfaces. A durable enclosure helps ensure that the power station survives real-world use instead of only looking good in marketing photos. DJI has consistently emphasized premium construction across its product lineup, and that attention to detail carries over here. Noise is another overlooked consideration. Some larger power stations produce noticeable fan noise during charging or under heavy loads. A quieter system becomes especially valuable in tents, RVs, hotel rooms, content creation environments where excessive background noise is distracting. Efficient thermal management helps maintain performance without unnecessary noise whenever possible. And the user interface also contributed significantly to the overall experience. Clear displays showing battery percentages, input power, output power, charging status, and estimated runtime allow users to make informed decisions instead of guessing how much energy remains. And simple controls reduce frustration and make operation approachable, even for first-time users. Efficiency matters too. A better power conversion means more usable energy reaches your devices instead of being wasted as heat, and that translates into longer runtimes and better overall performance. And whether you're charging multiple phones or editing a large video project on location, every bit of efficiency helps maximize available capacity. And ultimately, the DJI Power 1000 Mini isn't trying to replace that massive home setup backup power system. Instead, it focuses on delivering practical portable power where people actually need it most. And that's a refreshing approach in a market where bigger often receives all the attention. And many users simply need dependable energy for daily adventures, creative projects, travel, and emergency preparedness. And this product targets that audience exceptionally well. And if you value mobility, quality engineering, fast charging, versatile outputs, and dependable performance wrapped in a compact package, the DJI Power 1000 Mini deserves serious consideration. And before making your final decision, don't forget to check out the link in the description where you can view the complete specifications, compare the features, see current availability, and purchase the DJI Power 1000 Mini if it looks like the right fit for your needs. Portable power has become less of a luxury and more of a necessity, and products like this show just how far battery technology has evolved. And whether you're filming your next adventure, preparing for unexpected outages, working remotely, or simply wanting reliable power wherever life takes you, having the right portable power station can make every trip, every project, and every emergency just a little easier. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry I'm a little underneath the weather today. I'm still trying to recoup, but thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We're looking to build these channels, and without you, we can't do it. So please subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a good day, and we'll take care.